Today we're here to try these two Bad Mermaid energy drink. Yes, energy drink. It says this one's called Coral Wave, and it's a strawberry lime energy drink infused with sea moss and sea salt and other natural flavors. And then this one is Ocean Breeze, kiwi pineapple lemon energy drink infused with sea moss and sea salt and other natural flavors also. So let me try the Coral Wave first. So it's clear with a little maybe a beige tinge to it. Okay, it does have a strawberry and lime taste to it. It's the lime flavor, I think, comes through more than the strawberry flavor does. This is 10 calories for this can, is 12-ounce can. And you're getting, let's see, oh, no proteins and no other vitamins or minerals. Ingredients are carbonated filtered water, natural flavors, malic acid, citric acid, caffeine, sucralose, sea salt, Irish moss extract, and acesulfame K. So I think the only energy you're getting is from caffeine. That is a pretty good flavor. It's kind of very refreshing. So let me try the Ocean Breeze. This one's also clear. Kiwi pineapple lemon. I think the lemon taste comes out first and the pineapple, and then the kiwi is not a very strong taste anyway, so it's kind of there at the bottom. This one also has 10 calories, and same thing, no vitamins or minerals. I think it has the same ingredients too, because it's natural flavors. Actually, this one does not have malic acid. Yeah, the only difference is, well, besides whatever's in the natural flavors, is this one does not have the malic acid, but they both have citric acid. So they're both good flavors. Let's see. I think I like this one a little bit better. But they're both good. And I did find these, there's a gas station right outside of Universal Studios, and in that their little store there, I found these two. I'd never seen them before, so I bought them. So I'm gonna give both of them A's, and they also have very cool designs on the can. If you want to save the cans, if you're into like mermaids or something. So anyways, I'm gonna take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.